Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, today I am introduce you a new number. This is number 3. This is number 3. 3 is round and round. 3 is round and round. This is number 3. Let's count, children. How many pegs are there? 1, 2, 3. These are 3 pegs. These are 3 pegs. And how many buttons are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Yes, these are 3 buttons. And how many pens are there? 1, 2, 3. These are 3 pens. These are 3 pens. This is number 3. Children, this is your new number concept series, book 1. Now open at page number 17. In this page, you will count aloud and say the number with picture. So children, start the name. 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles. 3 triangles. These are bananas. 1, 2, 3. 3 bananas. 3 bananas. How many stars are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 stars. And what is this? Yeah, these are horses. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 horses. 3 triangles, 3 stars, 3 bananas, and 3 horses. Now children, open at page number 18. Children, in this page, we will create this number 3. 3. Say and trace number 3. 3 is round and round. 3. 3 is round and round. This is number 3. 3 is round and round. Children, you will also say and trace the number 3. This is number 3. Children, you will complete this page at home. Now open at page number 19. Count the monkeys 1, 2, 3 and trace the number 3. This is number 3. 3. Okay, children, you will complete this page at home in the guidance of your parents. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.